Hi everyone, welcome back to Basic to Finance. In today's tutorial, I'm going to guide you through how to change your Atomic Wallet password. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up your Atomic Wallet application on your PC, or you can also do this on your mobile devices. Once you're inside the main homepage of Atomic Wallet, click the settings button at the left hand side of the screen. From the settings menu, click the security button at the top and enter your old password in the text box that appears on the screen where it says old password. Once you type in your old password correct, head over to the new password text box and type in the new password you'd like to change to. Repeat your new password by typing it again into the last text box and click change password. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your password on your Atomic Wallet account. Next time you log into your account, you'll need to type in the new password that you just changed to. That is how you can easily change your password on Atomic Wallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.